Today I'm going to show you my arrangement for G tuning of Waitin' for the Bus by ZZ Top. G tuning is G, D, high G. You can always check your tuning with your harmonics. 7th fret on the low string is equal to the 12th fret on the middle string. 12th fret on the low string is equal to the high string open. It's good to be able to check like that. So the main riff of the song, I'll play that for you. And now I'll play it slow. And I like to grab the chord, or you can just play the lick. It's kind of up to you, but I like the little fatness of grabbing the chord first. So that's your 1. Now the reason this is the 1 is because in this particular blues, the 5 is the lowest note. So we can't start on the open strings like we do in so many blues, walking blues and stuff like that. We have to start on the 5th fret. That's the 1 actually. I'm assuming if you're learning a song like this that you already know something about the blues. If nothing I'm saying makes any sense to you, you might want to skip back and look at some of the excellent, beginner blues videos that are out there, just so you know what I'm talking about. So this is the 1 chord on the 5th fret. So the way the song goes, it plays that lick I just played 6 times for the intro. This is on the Tres Hombres album. There are other versions. At the beginning of the 4th time, the bass comes in, and then it does a climb, and then it plays the lick 2 more times. So that's a total of 6 times. Then the song starts, and from then on it's a regular 12 bar. So once again, riff 1. And I will mention that it does go into a variation almost right away. I'm going to stick to that lick for the whole song, but the variation is right. It's a very subtle variation. Then of course it goes to the 4 chord, which would be on the 10th fret. It's the same lick. Right? I'll do that slow. So it does that twice, back to the 1. Twice. Then it goes to the 5, which is a very cool lick. So I'll play that really slow for you. That was twice on low G, then on 3, open high G, then on 10, which is an F note or a 7th actually. Then it goes, in this case, to an A minor chord. So that's 2 over here, 2 up there, 5. And then it does a sort of a standard blues lick. 3, open, 3, 1, 5. And that brings us back around to lick 1. You can also, if you don't like getting that 1 there, you can get it here if you can move fast enough. So that's a bit of a pull-off. I'm going to play the main riff and then turn around 1 time for you so you can see how they sort of work together.